I'm Maria Pepitas, Extension Educator with the University of Delaware Cooperative Extension. Engaging strategically to build farm and farm family resilience is a three-part professional development series developed by Extension professionals from the University of Delaware Cooperative Extension and the University of Maryland Extension. We believe in the 21st century, Extension can do for risk and resilience of farms and farm families what it did for American agriculture in the 20th century. If you're eager to learn how to build resilience in farms and farm families and the food system through your programming, if you are one of the many farm educators or service providers who wants to develop expertise to engage colleagues, community members, and organizations in working together to support farms and farm families, and if you would like easy access to tools that you can use in your programming, then this is the series for you. Funded through the Extension Foundation New Technologies in Agriculture Education initiative, this series provides research-based information, tools, and guidebooks to help you build your knowledge, confidence, and skills in engaging community members and colleagues to build farm and farm family resilience within their community. The series builds on itself, so start at the beginning and use the tools and guides to get you started.